Okay, let's go see if I can get some kind of help from this Geek Squad in Best Buy. Y'all will have to let me know if you've ever partaken of their services. Wow, look at these TVs, y'all. Nice. Look how thin they are. I think they're thinner than my flat screen. Oh, look, they have the Google Pixel 6a. Probably the same price, yeah. $449. I saw them advertise where you can, like when you take a picture, I don't know if it does it in a video, but like if there's a child's face in there, you can mark it out with your finger. Well, that didn't take long to get told no. They only repair iPhones. By the way, I want to thank my sweet subscriber, Tammy, for the email that you sent me offering to send me your iPhone 7. Like I told you, I want to get this one fixed if I possibly can. But if it's not fixable, then I will let you know. And I really appreciate the offer. Thank you so much. I want to thank Cynthia, another subscriber who has helped me, and also Dee for the information in the video that you sent me. You're kidding me. A phone case is $60. Oh, Lordy. Oh, that's just ridiculous. I guess it's worth it if you're probably for somebody that does construction work or something and they are dropping their phone a lot. Otter. Okay, so he recommended I go to this phone repair store called You Break It, I Fix It. So let's go check them out. I wonder if the Geek Squad only repairs Apple products. I wonder, you know, I've seen them go to people's houses before. I guess they do house calls. But I wonder if they only repair Apple computers. I don't know. I don't have a computer, so I don't have to worry about it. My laptop is portable. I can bring it in if I need it repaired. They deliberately make these electronics to only last a couple of years to keep people buying them. Toyota needs to go into the cell phone business. Yes, sirree. My car has just, let's see, about 1,000 miles short of 200,000 miles. Oh, and I just passed up the cell phone repair store, CompuCell World. So let's go in there and see if they can fix it. The one guy that I went to on Post Avenue, he's the one that told me no, it doesn't have an SD card in it. You can't, doesn't even have a place for an SD card. You can't add more storage to it. The phone is built with 64 gigabytes of storage, and once all of that is used up, that's it. Now you can't get into that parking lot. Ugh. It's just frustrating. Let's see, maybe I can go down here and get into it. Okay, so let's go see what this guy at CompuCell World has to say about this HTC phone. Oh, y'all, pray for me that he can fix it. I'm going to shut this off and say a prayer. Oh, look at his door. How cute.